Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to solve the problem of your ad may not be optimized for conversions because we haven't received any activity from the conversion you selected at all or in more than 14 days to optimize for conversions. And they are asking that you can view the Pixel email code, get help, and all that. So when you see this, what it basically means is that the event you are optimizing for has not occurred in the last 14 days. That is exactly what it means. It does not necessarily mean that it's not properly connected. No, it may be properly connected, but the event has not occurred. So for example, I am optimizing for people to purchase a product on my website or landing page. So if no purchase has been made in the last 14 days, that is why this will occur. So in order to solve this problem, you have to come to your Pixel and then cross-check here. When you come to your Pixel, come to the overview section and then check to see whether the event has really, if it occurred, you will see it here. If it does not occur, if it's also a custom event, you can click on the custom event. When you go to the custom event, you can check if it has occurred. And so I can see that for this particular one specifically, it has not occurred. It is a standard event and it's supposed to show here, but it hasn't occurred. Now, what I am supposed to do is I have to do a test purchase to activate it before I can continue the ad campaign. So I've just come to the back end. I want to edit it and change the price to 0. So I'll make it 0.00. And then I will update it. Now, after updating it, I have to now come back to the event. The event manager. I'll just copy a link. So when you come to the event manager, go to test events and then click on confirm your website events are set up correctly, then paste the landing page link or the website link. So when you come to the website, take the action that you want, whatever, if you want a purchase or add to cart or whatever. So you see, I have made a test purchase. I've just reduced the price to 0.00 and made a test purchase. Now when you do that, come back. When you come to the test event, you see it says page view, purchase has been processed, initiate checkout. These are all the events that took place. So the purchase is actually, it has worked now. So you see the time just about a minute ago, showing that it has been processed successfully. So if you come back and refresh here, when you scroll down, yes, it is still showing. But what happens is it takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour. So if you leave this one like this, for example, for 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then you come to the overview section, you see here, see that it hasn't updated. Here it takes about 30 minutes to update. So I will wait for some 30 minutes, and when it updates, we proceed. Now it is exactly 29 minutes, or that's almost 30 minutes. As you can see, I came and refreshed, and you can see that purchase is now active, initiate checkout is active, add to cart is active, view content is active, page view, everything is now green, as you can see. So when everything turns green like this, when you come back to where it was showing that your ad may not be optimized for conversions because it has not received any activity, just refresh it and see if it will show again. So I'm refreshing it. So you see that message has disappeared. Yeah, so that is exactly how you can solve the problem of you may not receive conversions, or an inactive conversion. If you follow this process and you still don't get a solution, please leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description of this video to contact us for help to get it resolved. But what I want you to know is that those are paid services. Yeah, those are paid services. And we are into full-time digital marketing, Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, web development. So any of our services that you may be interested in, do not hesitate to contact us. We can even book a Zoom meeting with you, help you get your ad set up properly and converting. See you in the next video, and bye.